Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a special boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, this strategy is a very good strategy that even if you have a $10 account, you'll be able to grow that account successfully within days. Alright, now I'm going to show you some few methods and conditions you need to follow in order to trade profitably with this strategy. Okay, so the first thing I will do here is to show you the indicator setup. All right, so we are going to be clicking on this icon here, this icon right here, for the indicator setting. All right, so now the first indicator here is the MACD. Right, so before you add the MACD, you are going to click on this icon here. Right, then you search for MACD, you click on it. Now you can see these are the parameters. Right, the first EMA here is 12. Right, just use the default setting for this one. Okay, this one right here, you have to use the default setting. Right, then for the style, you have to make this 2 pixel, the color black, the signal 3 pixel, and the color is black. Alright, so after that you click on save. Alright, the MACD will be added and this indicator window here will be formed. Okay, this indicator window one here will be formed. So now before you add the moving average, you have to click on this second icon here. Alright, so after clicking on that, you search for the moving average. Alright, so here the period for this one is 1, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, the apply to we have previous indicators data. Alright, now under the style we have 3 pixel and the color is blue. Alright, so after that you click on save. Now the last indicator here is the Bollinger Band, but before you add it you have to click on this icon here again. Alright, now you search for the Bollinger Band and you add it. Now these are the parameters for this one. The period here is 200, the deviation is 2.000, the shift is 0, apply to close. Alright, now under the style we have 3 pixel and the color is brown. Alright, now after that you click on save. Alright, now your indicators is going to be set up like this. Alright, so now this strategy is a very simple strategy to understand. Alright, I'm going to be giving you the conditions now. Alright, the first condition is that you are going to allow price, right, to get to the overbought level. So whenever you see that this blue or the red line has crossed above the Bollinger Band or is touching the Bollinger Band, alright, that is your confirmation number 1. Alright, your condition number 1. Now the second condition is that you are going to allow this blue line here to cross below the red line. Alright, so whenever it gets to that brown, this line here, alright, the Bollinger Band line, whenever it crosses above or touches it, that is the first condition. The second is you have to wait for the blue to cross below it, and then you have to take 5 candles. Alright, so you can see from this is the area it crosses, so you take your 5 candles from there without any spike. Alright, now I'm going to show you again another example, and you can see here it crosses above the Bollinger Band. You wait for your crossing and then you take your 5 candles from this side. Alright, so you make sure you follow this thing I'm showing you now exactly the way I've shown you. Alright, so whenever you can see here it was touching first, right? So you wait for the crossing and then you take your 5 candles. Alright, now you see here's another example again. You can see how smoothly this is going. You take your 5 candles before this spike will come. Alright, as long as you stick to the 5 candle condition, you are going to be profitable in the long run. Alright, so make sure you are not greedy with this strategy. If not, you are going to blow your account. Alright, so make sure you follow everything I've given to you now. Right, see the crossing here again and no spike. Alright, you can see this is where it's crossed, no spike. here is another example again. Now, even if in a case like this, so far as the blue or the red touches the Bollinger Band, you are to wait for the crossing and then you take 5 candles from this one too. Alright, so you can see this is how simple the strategy is. Now there was a spike here, but the blue line has not yet crossed. Alright, so you can see immediately it crossed, you'll be able to take your 5 candles here without any interruption. Alright, so you can see now that this strategy is a very good strategy. Alright, it's a very good strategy and it's going to make you money over time. Alright, for the zoom level, you are going to zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice. 1, 2. And this is the zoom level for this strategy. Alright, and it works both on crash. Alright, both boom and crash. It works on the two markets. Alright, now you are going to be using this strategy for boom 1000 and crash 1000 only. Alright, so you can see here on crash the crossing happened here. Right, the crossing happened here. You'll be able to take your 5 candle before any spike will come. Alright, it's as simple as that, guys. So make sure you go and backtest this strategy very well, see if it's working for you before you can go live with it. Alright, so don't just take my word for it, make sure you test it for yourself and see if it's good. That is when you should use your real money and trade with this strategy. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything. Alright, so for the screen you have to put it here. Alright, the middle of this icon here, the middle of this icon here, the middle of these two icons, that is where you should place your screen. Alright, and that is going to be all. Alright, all you need to do is to set up and start using it to make money. Alright, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys today. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Okay, now for those of you who are going to be asking later, you analyze your trade from the higher time frame. Alright, so you either go to the 50-minute or the 30-minute time frame to do your analysis. Alright, to see the trend of the market. Alright, so currently I think we are in an uptrend. But you can still use the strategy whether in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Alright, so but it works best in a downtrend if you are on boom, and it works best in an uptrend if you are on crash. Alright, so you can see here that price has broken below this our trend line 2 here. Right, it has broken below our trend line here. So now you can see that from this point price is going to retest and then continue going down, which is going to be a good market for you if you are using this strategy. Okay, this is going to be a very good market for you because there is going to be a lot of opportunity on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so you can see here now the blue has touching the brown Bollinger Band line. Alright, so what I'm waiting for now is that crossing. So once that crossing happens, I'll be taking my 5 candles and I'm done. Alright, so that is pretty much everything, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.